They said he was too poor to dream, too small to matter. But one boy refused to give up, and what he built from trash would change his village forever. A long time ago, there was a boy named Samuel. He lived in a tiny village far from the city. Samuel had no shoes, no new clothes, his shirt was torn, and his trousers had holes. But inside him burned something powerful, a dream. Every day, Samuel walked 5 long kilometers to school. The road was full of dust and stones, his feet aching with every step. But still, he walked. Every single day. Samuel wanted to be an inventor. His dream, to build a solar lamp for his mother. She sold sweet potatoes in the market, and their house was always dark at night. So, Samuel began collecting trash wires, broken radios, old batteries. At night, he worked under the moonlight trying to build his lamp. But his first lamp smoked and burned the paper on the table. The second one couldn't charge. The third one broke on the very morning of the school science fair. His classmates laughed at him. "You should just sell sweet potatoes like your mother," one boy sneered. "I'll never make anything," another said. Samuel felt crushed, but he didn't stop. At night, he read old newspapers and stories of great inventors. He visited an electrician in the village, asking questions, learning step by step. The man smiled and said, "If you really want this, don't stop." Days passed. Samuel worked harder than ever. His hands were cut and dirty, his stomach often empty. But his heart was on fire. Then one day, the head teacher announced, "A rich merchant is coming next week. His company is offering a big prize to the best young inventor." The whole class buzzed with excitement. But Samuel stayed silent, till his friend Maya whispered, "Try again, Samuel. This is your moment." That night, Samuel worked like never before. He repaired wires, tested batteries, and held his breath as he flipped the switch. The lamp stayed on for 1 hour, then 2, then 4. It worked. The next day, Samuel brought his lamp to school. One by one, students presented their projects. Finally, Samuel stood up, hands trembling. "This is my solar lamp," he said softly. He turned it on. The room lit up. Gasps filled the air. "Where did you get the parts?" the merchant asked. "From the garbage," Samuel replied. The merchant paused, then smiled. This is what we've been looking for." Samuel won the prize. Newspapers wrote about the boy who built light from trash. The merchant's company gave him a scholarship. Soon, Samuel's small solar lamps lit homes all over his village. Children could study at night. Mothers could cook in the light. And Samuel never stopped building. The lesson is simple. Life will knock you down. People will laugh at you. They'll tell you to quit. But success doesn't belong to those who never fall. It belongs to those who rise every single time they fall. You don't need money. You don't need perfect tools. You just need courage, persistence, and a dream that refuses to die. So get up. Wipe your tears. Fix what's broken. Try again. So one day the world will look at you and say, "This is what we've been looking for." Never give up. Keep the dream alive.